what I want to. I do.
So thanks to compliance bullshit, it's a tabletop thing. So technically, you can't string that across the butt. If you push the button in and tape the bitch, I win. Nice and warm. Time to make the bed. Here we go. Step one, pull the bed out. Like so. Don't turn your back. Straighten up the mattress. Pull the bed like that. Hoo-yah! Put this mattress down. Tuck it in. Pillows. Lay the blankets out. Simple. Put your fan up because you can't sleep without a fan. Okay, cut. So the heater is plugged into the generator via that white cord. The fan is plugged into the inverter down there, using very little wattage. Oh, shit. And that's how you get a full-size bed in a standard Freightliner 70-incher. Full or queen? I don't remember. Queen. Queen bed for the queen. It's kind of chilly down here, but we got an extra blanket tonight, so might be a triple decker.